poppin', you guys? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hazel XXS and I am back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a clean with me. My room looks a fucking mess, y'all, and it didn't look like this until I got my pretty little thing package. So I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna clean the dog because he smells and it's getting on my nerves. And then I'm going to clean his blankets. It is now probably going on 4 o'clock. Yes, it is 3:32. I have been editing all morning since I woke up and got out of the bed. I have been editing this one video, which is going to be up before this video. So yeah, y'all. Also, I have decided I'm gonna do Vlogmas, but it's not gonna be Vlogmas. It's just gonna be 12 days of Christmas because the way my life is set up, I can't do Vlogmas. I cannot do 25 days of videos, and I'm not gonna vlog every single day. I'm actually gonna have like content because I'm in quarantine right now. If y'all don't know, I don't know if I've put it in videos before this, but I'm currently in quarantine. It is December 5th. This is my 4th day of quarantine. And this shit is for the fucking birds, bro. Like, I'm going crazy sitting in the house. So, that's why I'm saying I'm going to do 12 days of Christmas. Because I just have time now. And then finals is almost over with. It's going to be done next week. Everything's due. And y'all are going to see some school content. Y'all are going to see some RBT content. Yeah, you're gonna get some vlogs like this one. This isn't really a vlog, this is just a clean with me. Y'all are gonna get a little bit of everything, and then we're gonna be back to the regularly scheduled programming, regularly scheduled program of vlogs and stuff like that. Whenever I get out of quarantine, whenever I get my negative results, because I'm speaking into existence, I don't have it. This is my 2nd time in quarantine in a month, y'all. Fuck a close contact. I'm so ready to go in home, because if being in clinic means I have to be in quarantine like once a month, I'm not fucking with it. I need everybody to stay more than 6 feet away from me. Like, back, you too close. Nope, I don't want to have to do this ever again. So yeah, I'm about to probably change my shirt because this shirt, you can't, whoa, you cannot clean in a shirt like this. I'm gonna just change my shirt. I'm thinking I'm gonna keep these pants on while I'm taking Cartella bath. They're just some sweatpants from Boohoo. Yeah, some sweatpants from Boohoo, and then this shirt is going to be in my pretty little thing haul. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. But before we do that, I just want to say, ready? Come on, let's go. Come on. Okay, all right, you guys. So I don't normally take his baths. The quality is probably shit because I don't have an extension cord for my ring lighting here. So I'm sorry for the lighting. So I don't normally take Cartel's baths. Yeah, I don't normally take Cartel's baths. I pay somebody to do it because it's so messy and I just don't have the patience for it. So yeah, I said I might as well save me some money for right now because I'm going to get him to take a bath before Christmas, because not everybody, because again, we're in a pandemic, but like my immediate family is going to be at my grandmother's house. So yeah, we're gonna give this a try. We normally use this. I bought something else. I don't know where it is. I'm gonna look in the kitchen because that's where it was last time. Maybe it's under this sink somewhere. I don't fucking know where it is. So I'm gonna find that and then we're gonna take a bath. You ready, Bubs? Cartel, you ready to take a bath? He's about to be pissed off, but it's okay. So I found the other one. This is the Perfect Coat Shed Control Shampoo because he does shed even though he is short haired. This is what it is. This smells good. It doesn't smell like great, but it smells good. And I'm going to use both of these. This other one is the Murphy and Roxley 2-in-1 Aloe Shampoo and Conditioner. I don't know. I didn't see the conditioner for this one. I bought it months ago. So I'm just going to use both. See what happens. on, cartel. Look. All right. You're so cute. You got your pretty face. Okay. All right, y'all. So the dog is washed. I'm covered in water. This happens every single time. He literally hopped out of the tub and ran to my grandma, like in the kitchen. So I'm gonna have to take a shower, but I'm going to clean this bathroom first. There's no point in me taking a shower to keep cleaning. No, I'm gonna clean the bathroom and then I'm going to take a shower, and then we're gonna focus on the room. So let's get this montage in.
BeatStars.com.
Alright, y'all. I got my mask on because I'm going through my house, and y'all know, like I said, I'm in quarantine, so trying to keep my grandma good. But it is the next day. I did not have a good night or morning. Stop it, dog. So I took some time to just, I don't know, wallow. Now I'm gonna make myself get my shit together. So now I'm about to clean the dog's blankets. They're disgusting. It's covered in dog fur. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that. Yes, y'all can. His blanket is covered in dog fur. That's the one that goes in his cage, and the blue and white one goes in.
In the house.
Get out the work. Leaves.
Yeah, you track them in the house.
Oh my goodness.
Huh?
I said, oh my goodness. Yeah, so the blue and white one goes in my room on the floor. It has. It got cold. The dog's right here too. So I'm about to just take a bucket and clean them. Let's see how this goes. I've never done this. Mom normally does this while I'm at work. So hopefully they stop stinking and smell like dog.
BeatStars.com.
Alright, y'all. Can I please have peace? Can I please have peace? You don't want shit. Okay, so I look a mess. My room is a mess. My life is a mess right now. I can't. I'm trying. It's not working. Let me just show y'all the state of my room so you can see a reflection of how I feel. First and foremost, Amazon package I still haven't opened. The dog's brush, since I washed him yesterday, I'm covered in I don't even know what anymore. It just needs to be cleaned. This is always a mess. I didn't even make my bed this morning. That's how you know I was going to do it. Clothes, Amazon package, towel, clothes. Look at the desk. It's stuff everywhere. This is always like this, but it's getting on my nerves. This is always like this. It's getting on my nerves. It's just... I can't. So guys, I don't know. We're gonna try and tackle this. My light bulb is also out. I gotta do that. And I have homework to do. And teacher evaluations and extra credit due tonight. I hate myself. Okay. We're gonna get it done, and I'm gonna feel so much better afterwards. But first I need to change my clothes, because this is gonna drive me nuts. Ouch, you have claws. Leave me alone. What you used to say? Get away from me. Ah!